Welcome to the review of Apple Watch Series 4. The Series 4 has an OLED Retina display that supports Force Touch. It comes in two sizes, 40 and 44mm, unlike the previous generation that used to come in 38 and 42mm. The new S4 chip makes its performance really fast when compared to the previous generation. We also have the new re-engineered digital crown, which is really smooth and has a built-in ECG support, which I will be showing you in a bit. The new bezel-less display is more appealing and make our customizations very easier. If you are new to my channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button. It comes in three colors: silver, space gray and gold. This is the space gray version. We have a single microphone this time. This is the ECG feature that I told you about. You just place your finger on the crown and it records very easily. Apple has taken a patent over this new feature. The Apple Pay feature is still there and it's very smooth and reliable. The new chip also makes Siri very fast and it responds very easily like the iPhone. It is water resistant. Apple claims it can be dipped up to 50 meters, which is quite good. Talking about the various straps, some of them which I will leave in the link in the description. I will tell you two of those which are my favorite. One is the leather brown one, which is really good and it really looks great with formal shirts and formal pants. The other one is the Milanese loop. I love it with this very particular watch face. It just looks very classy. We have dual speakers, which Apple claims it's louder than the previous generation. In the box, yes, we have the magnetic charging cable with USB-A on the other end. You just place it on top and there, it's that easy. Talking about the good side, yes, we have the very good display and it is 50% louder. There is the heart rate and the fall detection, which is very nice. And yes, a dedicated ECG app, which is really impressive. And yes, the bad side, less standby battery life, limited watch faces, and yeah, it only works with iPhones. If you're into fitness and you want to invest on a smartwatch, Apple can never disappoint you. If you have any question or suggestion, just mention them in the comments. Thank you all for watching.